That's William right there, watching TV in his mom's room show till now. Hit play.
Oh, now the jets are not making no sound. When I didn't have the camera, folks, there was sounds of jets in the sky. You couldn't see them, and it sounded like rockets. Those special top secret aircraft I keep hearing, and I've seen them, and Bobby's seen them. But when I get it recorded, it's like, uh-oh, Bill's got his, he's coming out. He's gonna go get his camera. We better cut down the sound. Come on, show yourself. Now I hear a normal jet. I don't hear that top secret jet I normally hear. Oh, he's doning on a roof. Or a newfangled one. You know, the Roar and all the other. Oval shape and all the other kind. Sounds like a rocket, but it's not a rocket. It's got a rocket thrust. It sounds like a jet with a rocket thrust, what it sounds like. They're testing it at different intervals. And when I want to record, it don't pop up. You know, you guys think you're clever. Very funny. Time for me to catch this bus. Comes at 8:30.
William's walking to his school and walking to his bus stop. I don't know which one. Because one year he walked to school, and the next year he moved to another school where he had to get on a bus.